There guys, plenty of people sat out. And getting the sun. Yeah, it's warm enough I suppose. As long as you got a jumper on or a coat on or something. No tourists in January of course. I think a lot of these guys will be tourists. I think the locals will have their coats on still. Fairly busy. Yeah, we're going to walk down and see what Levante Beach is like. There's a few over there. Plenty of people walking up and down today. Oh, I like to sit by the back wall. Sun comes down onto that obviously and warms it up. It's a little bit warmer there. It's 22nd I think of January today. I think the hotels must be doing alright. Used to be a fair amount of people here. Quite a few on the beach. We've had a couple of cold days. Yesterday was alright. Before that, a couple of cold days. Wonder if that's why everybody's out. Especially if you come on holiday. Bars are fairly full as well. It's always good to see. And there's a bit of music going on. We're not trying to pinch anybody's music. YouTube. So hope that helps. I ain't getting copyrighted. It's the amount of time it takes to get the copyright off. Especially if you get YouTube to do it, it takes maybe 2-3 hours. And your video goes up later. It's not busy the beach of course, but a few people on it. Got the props out as well. Trying to get people in the bars. Just block the road off, make them go in there. Did get a bit of flooding on the beach the other night when we had a bit of a storm. It only lasted about an hour though. That was further down. What I can see from here, it looks like it's recovered. And they probably just went over it after the storm. All the water's soaking. See most of the bar, they've got people in. That's the way it goes with some of these bars. Got a bit of sun on the bar, you're going to get people in. I'm not seeing anybody in the sea today yet. Anyway, back from the week off. Start getting some films done again now. Get some money in. See people on the beach who've got the shirts off. Maybe it's warmed up a little bit now. Can't really tell when you're walking round. It'd say 18 degrees in the shade. Temperature's probably about 20-22 degrees. There you go, first one's in. Whoa! So high there, Mike. As you can see there, first one's in the sea I've seen today. Like he wants to go for a swim. Turner. I'm surprised they get people in there, to be honest. I think I've only ever been in there once. And yeah, $5 for a can in there. I thought it was a bit expensive myself. Hence I haven't been back. Birds being fed down there. Okay guys, I'm going to leave the video here. There'll be another one coming up in the screen, the end screen. Watch that. We'll see more from Benidorm in January. It's going to be fantastic. See you on the next one guys. Bye.